As you all know, winters are here and your lips need a little bit more attention for retaining its moisture and pinkish look. So you can take advantage from cinnamon by making this DIY cinnamon lip balm. All you need is 1.5 tablespoons beeswax pellets, 4 tablespoons coconut oil, vitamin E capsules, 1 tablespoon raw honey, and 15 drops of cinnamon essential oil. All you need to do is melt the beeswax and coconut oil using a double broiler method. Remove from heat, then add the vitamin E liquid, honey, and cinnamon essential oil. Transfer the mixture to lip balm containers and apply this mixture daily and you will get amazing results.